welcome back to our life.
Yes, good morning.
We are at La Palma now, so back again to Canary Islands. Yeah, home sweet home.
Yes.
And actually now we are really at my home at La Palma, so yeah, we
will
can show you
1 second.
around.
Yeah, we are doing this video to catch a little up what we were doing and what we will do. And now we are going to a beach to enjoy the day, the windy day, but sunny.
Really
Sunny.
and warm. Starting here, we are at our garden.
This is the big garden of the house.
So green because it was raining a lot, so it's really nice. Yeah, and with also the view, obviously. Follow me.
That's the house.
I have a nice bathroom outside.
A mini bathroom.
And little chaos, but yeah, that is our house, our small home for now.
Yeah,
You can see a
little kitchen. Up there is a super nice bed, sofa. So we are on the top of Santa Cruz in La Palma. There is Santa Cruz, and we have two houses, two little houses of the parents of Milena. That's the small one we are in, and over there is the big ones. There we are actually old water mills that are now converted to little houses, and they're really nice. The only problem is you have to walk up 15 minutes along this path to get here. So we will walk now down to the car and let's get going. It's already pretty late. We have now a different plan because it's now pretty late. It's 1 and we had to get some stuff done for Milena's father, and the bank was longer than we thought. So we are not going to the charcos we planned, but we are going next to the airport. There are other charcos and we are going to chill a little there. For me, I had to do a lot of stuff.
Oh, chaos.
We have arrived at some
We
place.
arrived.
We are just below the airport. The airport's over there.
But there are some nice charcos here, so we are going to check them out. And yeah, look if we find a place without so much wind.
You can do it, Mila. You can do it.
Huh?
Jump, Mila. It's not so cold. Cold. It's super cold.
Super cold, but so beautiful.
But
You were
super
in
cold.
water in December. Woo!
Yeah, it's the 30th of December.
And
Second
we
last
were
year
in
of the year.
water.
Second last day of the year, and we were in the water. Yes.
And now we're gonna have lunch.
Yeah. I'm
Super
so hungry.
Me
I'm
too.
so hungry. Let's go eat
Here.
a bread. Let's stay,
Without go.
let's stay here and eat a bread. Mira, what are you going to do?
Searching for the key.
Ah, really? Oh, that's so kind. Where is the key? Let's look for the key. Where's the key? Ah, here's the key. It's me driving again because Mila does not like to drive this car. 'Cause 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 30th of December, and it's 28 degrees
In the sun.
in the sun.
In the sun.
In the car in the sun.
In the car in the sun.
What did we buy, Mila?
A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff, and the empanada to eat now for the way, right? So yeah, we bought everything. This is for Milena's father, this is the food. And then, now we have to walk 15 minutes up the mountain to get to the house. We are excited! So first there are some steps. So, nearly arrived. We came from down there, we go up there, and there you can see the house. Yeah, arrived, Nita. Back home, finally. Okay, we are finally back at home. We cleaned already everything up because they're working, it was all dirty, and now it's
Story time!
so last time you saw us, we were in Iceland, she was working there, I was there on vacation, and then we met on Sardinia where I worked. I finished my university, she finished in summer her university, and after that came here to the Canary Islands, actually first a couple of days on Tenerife, and then we flew over to La Palma where she has this wonderful little house, and we're enjoying the time over here and relaxing and everything.
Yeah, now it's really a vacation finally for both of us. And yeah, but actually it's not just vacation relaxing, because we're already planning our next adventure. That will be Asia. So we are going to Thailand in February, and we have to plan a bit. It's a bit complicated with COVID and stuff, but we will do our best and we will for sure go. So we are here, and then afterwards in Berlin for some weeks, where I actually live. And yeah, then we will go to Thailand on a really cool date.
The 02/02/2022!
Wow! So see you on the way next time planning our adventure.